Hello everyone, a very good morning from Hong Kong. Today I'll be flying to Jakarta with Cathay Pacific CX777. Estimated departure time will be 10 minutes past 9 a.m. local time. I'll be flying in the business class today in the Airbus A330-300 with the flatbed business class. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. The aircraft for today is an Airbus A330-300 registered as BLAD, delivered to Cathay Pacific in August 2006. This aircraft currently has a configuration of 28 flatbed business class and 265 economy class. Welcome on board the usual A330 flatbed business class in 33J. Foldable TV as usual, spacious leg room. In the seat we have this pillow. Menu preset. What's here today? It's a breakfast menu. We have a bottle of Evian preset. Earlier, welcome drink is offered. Given that this is a breakfast flight, only juice is available, no alcohol. That's fine. Noise cancelling headset here. Reading light, IF remote, seat controller. Table is here. Power plug is here. The adjustable armrest, the seat pocket, safety card, magazine, everything is back. That's pretty much it.
Would like to welcome you on board on this Airbus A330 aircraft CX777 direct service to Jakarta. Flight time today is 4 hours and 10 minutes. Unfortunately, we've just been informed by the air traffic control that due to the weather around the Hong Kong airspace, there is a full control at this stage for all aircraft departing out of Hong Kong for minimum 19 minutes, 1.5 hours. If there's any changes, I will let you know. And as for the weather, en route to Jakarta, as I mentioned earlier on, there is some weather just outside of Hong Kong. So you can expect the seatbelt sign to be stay on for slightly longer than usual out of Hong Kong. And once we are out of Hong Kong airspace, we're expecting generally smooth flight conditions all the way to Jakarta. Your in-flight service manager today is Connie. Connie and her team will be showing you the safety briefing very shortly. Please pay particular attention to the briefing as it contains very important information. I do apologize again for the delay. It's completely out of control. It's due to the air traffic control restrictions out of Hong Kong. I'll talk to you again just before to send into Jakarta with the updated weather and arrival time. And in the meantime, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the Cathay service. Thank you.
Welcome to CX777, our one-way flight to Jakarta. This flight is operated in conjunction with Airline, British Airways, Finn Air, and Qatar Airways. To our members, it is a pleasure to see you again. We are looking forward to taking care of you during your flight. Your safety is very important to us. May I please have attention for the safety demonstration? Thank you.
司機你哋麻煩，我哋今特別多謝會員好高興嘅國泰民商再次同你哋見面。我麻煩嘅機場客務經理係 Connie， 機長 Captain Airbus 將會喺4小時10分鐘之後帶我哋到雅加達。我哋期待為你等一次全程愉快嘅旅程。你嘅安全對你。
本航班也是美國航空公司、英國航空公司、芬蘭航空公司、卡塔爾航空公司领的大马共享航班。在此这里感谢我们的会员，很高兴能在新闻见面。
Your safety is important to us, so please take a few minutes to watch the following video as we present the safety features of this aircraft.
你嘅安全對我哋嚟講非常重要，請用幾分鐘留意呢段短片。
Hello from the laboratory of the A330 business class. This is how it looks like. We are waiting for pushback in the next 15 minutes because of the weather. We have the Bamford body lotion, hand soap, and face mist, shoo stuff. Anyways, normal stuff.
Jakarta today. It's rather hazy with wind coming from the east and temperatures 33 degrees Celsius. Once again, on behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing Cathay Pacific. Hope to see you again very soon for future one of our flights. Cabin crew, very exciting.
And larger devices such as laptops. Personal electronic devices must be switched off or set to airplane mode. We will let you know when it is safe to switch on cellular functions again. Thank you. Cabin crew, landing check please. Jakarta. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening the open compartments as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices with cellular functions. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. If Jakarta is home, a very warm welcome home. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay. We thank you for your patience and understanding. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance.
"各位旅客，欢迎来到雅加达。为确保安全，请留在座位上并扣安全带，直到安全带的指示灯熄灭为止。"
Halo semua, senang sekali kita bisa bertemu di sini. Terima kasih telah memilih Cathay Pacific, anggota One World Alliance.
Hello from Jakarta. It was a good flight, full flight. Despite the delay, the crews were friendly, good meal, nice sleep, most importantly. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.